Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one comes from Melissa. And look at our little tote. We have a little jingle bell on here. She's got a little tag that had a little note on there for me. We have this butterfly. This is really cool. Like, there's just a lot of stuff going on in here, so we're gonna get right into it. We'll open up her box last, but let's see what else is in here. Oh, we have some little oh, let's open this. Such a cute little bag topper. But I want to see, because I see a stamp in here as well. Alright, so we have a couple of these little picks. I'm happy to get more. They did not bring them out this year, and I'm kind of sad about that, but I've gotten a few here and there, so I'm happy to have those in my stash. And we have these little trims, and they have the little batty little pins in there. And then look at this cute little stamp. It says trick or treat. So much fun. And then let's see what else we have in here. Have this little bag. What's she got in here? I love how it's very simple, but it's very cute and effective. So we have a little doily bag topper, and she's just got one of these little felty ghosts that are from the Dollar Tree, Dollar General. You get them a lot of different places. And a couple little bat stickers. This little treat bag is really cute. I don't know where you got this, but I have a hard time finding like pastel Halloween treat bags. I don't know why, but that one's really cute. Did I get everything? So we have this, like, ooh, look at these little fall maple leaves. It's a pretty orange, a really pretty orange. And then we have some table scatter in here. So there's little booze, there's a little witch hat, there's happy Halloween, there's little felt ghosties, there's some pumpkins, a little bit of everything in there. And then we have some of these like vintage Halloween looking prints. Look at these. These are really cool looking. I like those. I like those a lot. We have cute little pokey tool. Look at, she's got like a skull heart. That's really cool looking. She's beaded that sucker all the way down. Look at that. So fun. So fun. And then we have, oh, it's like a never-ending little tote, but this tote is really cute. We have a couple rosette shakers. Come on, work with me. I don't know. Oh, look at that. So this is so cute. So this is one of like the little Chaos Craft ghosts. I love these little ghosties, but she's put them, like these little googly eyes. They're not googly eyes because they don't Google, but these little monster eyes that I've seen in a lot of little boxes on top. And it's so cute. She's got some creepy gauze on top of her rosette. So cute. I'm guessing this one is its sister. Let's check out its sister. these are so cute because they're just so over the top. They're so cute. This one's got a little bow. Oh my gosh, they're so funny. They're so funny. And then she's got this like loaded paper plate, and that I had every intention to do these as well this year, and I just did not get to it. It's where you make a pocket, you put some acetate on there, and how cute is this? So her little, she's got like a bejeweled beaded little handle that's like got all kinds of fun little beads, and she's got treats in here. How cute is this? So cute. So we have a little pack of stickers. I'm not going to go through all the stickers, but I see some fun ones in there. We have a Reese ghost because Reese's is the best. And then a pack of napkins that say eek. Those are great. I love getting stuff like this. because they don't ever come back from year to year, and they're always just great to have in your stash. Here is our embellishment box. We have this cute little pink ghost. We have some wood veneer boo on here that she's painted up, and the spider, and she's got lace all around. So cute. All right, let's zoom in. All right, so let's see, where do we want to begin in this one, because this charm looks really cool. We have just a jar of eyes. How cool is that? We have a little thing hand. How cute. I have not seen these yet. I've seen them on Temu and other places, but I have not seen one in person yet. And they're just like a little 3D print. Or maybe she 3D printed these herself. I'm not sure. I mean, that's always a possibility. But I have seen ones that are similar. Aren't those cool? And then we have some wood beads that have faces on them. We have a big old eye. A little cupcake with an eye. Just eyeballs, like this eyeball little section and the little cake with an eye. So cute. And this one we have these spiders. We've seen these before, but these are so cute. I love them. We have some little plastic spiders. We have spiders with googly eyes. We have a spider and spider web beads. Well, my floor gets that one. Spider web, more spider web buttons, spider web charms. What else do we have in here? Oh, look at this little spider, like a little kawaii. I think it's a spider. Is this a spider or a candy? I'm not quite sure. Spiders, and there's, come on, one more charm in here. The spider guy. And then over here we have some washi tape, and this is a little black cat. And then this one is a little spider web with flowers. Oops, come on, can you see? Can you see? And then this one is just a chevron. We have candy corn. We have some, oh, there's more. And then we have these like, I don't know, they're like a fabric sticker. I'm not quite sure, because they're shiny on one side, which is like where you peel off, but it almost feels like a fabric. I'm not quite sure. But we have this spider washi tape, and then this little pastel ghosty one. I don't know what those are, but those are really cool. I feel like a sticker, but like a fabric sticker. Then we have fun little rosette. A pumpkin with googly eyes. Got pumpkin. Pumpkin. Oh, we have a little Grim Reaper pumpkin. I don't know if I've seen that one yet. Frankie. A Grim Reaper and a vampire. Oops. Mummy. A little bat kitty. Maybe it's just a bat. I don't know. Spider. House. What else? Come on. Ooh, a little knife. A little bloody knife. Cute. All right, and then down here we have a little safety pin that says boo. I haven't seen one of these in a while either. Cute. And then we have a whole bunch of little bat die cuts. Some paper clips, some beads, jack-o'-lantern beads. We have flower, multiple flowers. I like these little purple star beads. I think I've seen these in the, like one other swap, but more paper clips and spiders. Bats, I'm not bats. Some more charms, poison charm, witch hat. Jack-o'-lantern witch hat, some buttons. I love getting buttons. Little cat. It's like a little witch's robe. Or wizard robe. Some more witch hats. Little white cat. Come on. And more like witches and witches' hats. What else do we have? We have a little haunted house, a little witch. And we have ghosties. All kinds of fun ghosty charms. Come on. They're just so hard to get out, but they're so cute. I think we've seen all these ghosties before. Love the little black ghosties. There's even some little ghosty nail charms down there. A ghosty clay bead. All right, over here we have, so we have the dividers, extra little divider thing, so you can make these like in half. I think it's the center ones they have them. I don't remember. And then what do we have? Oh, these are brads. These are always fun to get and have. Get little spiders, a pumpkin. I love these little glittery ones. Little candy corn. So cute. I need to get more brads and eyelets. I've said that multiple times. I just need to get some. I think it's an eyelet outlet or something like that. I've got it saved somewhere. And this is all kinds of skulls and skeletons, bones, skeleton beads, skeleton flatbacks. Oh, look at this little eyeball. Very cool. Little hands. I don't know if I've seen this little bone yet either. I love these little eyeballs. I'll be using those. Oh, we have a little ghost face. What's this guy? Oh, a little tombstone. Acrylic tombstone and a skull. And then more little skulls down there. All right, over here we have pumpkins. So we have these pumpkin pieces. Oh, look at this pumpkin sticker. Very cute. It's all like full of, it's got fuzzy on it, but it's full of candy. Pumpkins, pumpkin charms, pumpkin flatbacks. I love these little plastic pumpkins. Anyway, pumpkins, pumpkins. All right, and then we have some wax seals that she's done. This one's got a bat. This one's candy. This one is a potion bottle. And then that one is a spider web. Yes, I love getting stuff like this. I always have good intentions of making stuff like this because I've got the materials to do so. It's just execution. I feel like I spend so much time doing reveals that I don't have as much time for crafting myself sometimes. So I need to just learn how to make time for myself sometimes. Love this little acrylic charm. A little bat. Lots of little, so this is the bat one. I like how she's sectioned things off. It's kind of cool. So we have little bat stickers, bat charms. These little stickers are really cute. All kinds of bat charms. Moons. These are really cool. Little nail charms. I love moons. Moons and then suns. Such a like 90s kid, right? Very, 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 very cute. Thank you so much, Melissa. Again, I'm still seeing new stuff. You guys are blowing my mind. I think this is the last one. I think Melissa's the last one. I need to go through my boxes. I think the rest are loaded totes. So yes, sorry that you haven't seen a loaded tote reveal in a while. I've been just trying to get through all the embellishment boxes because these were due first and these are going to get mailed back first. So I think that this Melissa is the last one. I have to check and make sure I don't have a straggler or I forgot one. So I'm going to have to go through and open boxes, but I think the rest are loaded totes. But this has been such a fun swap. I know everybody loves a good embellishment box and I don't think I've ever done an embellishment box swap that's just been embellishment boxes. So This was a lot of fun. I love seeing everybody's like creativity, and this is really gonna help like everybody with their stash and get their like, you know, just mixing things up of stuff that they might not have that they're gonna get. So this was a fun swap. I can't wait to package all these up and send them out. Make sure you give Melissa some crafty love. I will link everybody's information, or well, her information down below. She's the only one in this video. So I will link her information down below, and make sure you give her some crafty love, and we will see you guys in the next swap reveal. Bye.